19 items labeled as collectibles are scattered throughout Collision Course. The fourth mission, in Sniper Elite Resistance, while players aren't required to find every single one of these collectibles, they might still be interested in locating the mission's workbenches and propaganda posters. This guide is designed to help with this task, and you can find the locations of all collectibles in Sniper Elite Resistance's Mission 4 that follow. In this manual, we prefer to employ terms like top, bottom, left, and right for describing certain places. We do this as the true north on this level coincides with the upper left corner of the map, making it a bit perplexing when using traditional compass directions. Sniper Elite Resistance, all Collision Course collectible locations. This map indicates where every item to collect can be found in level 4 of Sniper Elite Resistance. If a player finds it hard to identify the exact spot for a collectible using this map, it is suggested that they look at the sections beneath the diagram. They offer more specific location information. Personal letters, a gift, and a main. In this scenario, the personal letter is affixed to a tree, which players will come across shortly after departing from the starting point of the village entrance. It would provide pistol workbench in the fourth mission of Sniper Elite Resistance. You'll find the pistol workbench hidden away in the uppermost room or attic of a tall log cabin located at the map's bottom. To access this workbench, players can navigate by scaling the vines on the building's right side and entering through the open window. 3, then, personal letters. So, what a discovery. Nestled close to the heart of the village towards the lower part of the map, you'll spot a quaint little building with a distinctly blue front door. Should adventurers manage to unlock or force open this door, they'll uncover a personal letter resting on a nearby crate within the structure for classified documents requesting support. Once you've gathered what a discovery, head towards the upper right corner of the village, situated at the map's bottom edge. There, you'll find a rectangular structure. The classified document is located on the desk within that building's second story. 5. SMG workbench. Players should navigate towards the lower left part of the zone where they'll find and eliminate salvaged technology. For enthusiasts of sniper games, there's a gate with a lock to be picked nearby, followed by a ladder leading down. Upon descending, players will discover a workbench hidden in a cellar below 6. But this is a big favorite time. So note the classified document is located on a desk situated on the second story of the train station. Access to the room housing this desk can be gained by ascending the staircase found on the station's right-hand side. 7. Hidden items, wine bottle about gender and following the acquisition of transfer details, players need to make their way to the bar situated on the second floor of the train station, where they can find and pick up the concealed item, powerful with the boundary period or capital, correct, entry to. It's a winding path ascends from the train station on the map's left, and there's a stone eagle nestled atop rocks along this path. Players can take out this statue using a sniper rifle in Sniper Elite Resistance, as it offers multiple vantage points across the map. 9, there's about appreciation of damage or appreciation. A tent can be found in the upper left part of the map, and this confidential file is positioned beneath that tent, resting on a table, and see aught. Q, personal letters. At the top of the map, you'll find a row of cylindrical constructions lining the dam. The personal letter I'm referring to can be found resting on the highest structure located on the far right side. 11, Stone Eagle. In the game Sniper Elite Resistance, the Stone Eagle statue is strategically placed atop the dam's metallic support structures, close to where players are required to eliminate Ludwig's source by causing him to fall from the dam. Gamers have the option of using a sniper rifle to take out this sculpture from various spots on the map, such as the train tracks situated over the water. 12, classified documents, requisition orders. As a gamer, I stumbled upon some top secret documents on a nearby work table next to machinery like a drill press, and saw the catch. This clandestine paperwork hints at a mission to track down and neutralize an emergency pump somewhere in the building. 13. Rifle workbench. Once you've gathered the requisition orders, make your way down the nearby staircase to the left, where you'll encounter a door. Behind this door is the emergency pump. Across from it, you'll notice a locked door. For fans of third-person shooters, the rifle workbench can be found in the room beyond that locker. 14, personal letters. I will miss you. A petite green structure can be found at the upper right corner of the map, situated right by the roadside. The item you're referring to, your personal letter, can be found on a table within this building. 15, house, personal letters. I'm so sorry. Players should navigate towards the upper right region of the playing field, as they are adept with locating and neutralizing intel sources. Stealth game enthusiasts will discover a ruined stone edifice therein, and this personal letter can be found on a pile of boxes within that structure, and calculate the same. Hidden items, liberation propaganda poster. Players will discover the propaganda poster affixed to a tunnel located at the terminus of the level's railway tracks on the right side. 17 hidden items. The concealed object can be found in the cellar of the substantial structure located at the lower right part of the zone, where gamers are expected to locate, neutralize intelligence resources. And here's a guide on how to access it. The secret item is hidden in the basement of the big building that's situated in the southeastern corner of the area, where players are supposed to hunt down and destroy intel hubs. Let me show you the way. Both versions convey the same information, but with slight variations in wording and phrasing. 18 classified documents come in ANDA and also operate in both classified documents. Enlighten me, the top secret file you're referring to can be found on the upper level, right? Specifically the second story within the structure where the gas mask was discovered. Here's a guide on how to access it, or the concluding classified document is situated on the second floor of the building where the gas mask was uncovered. Here's how to get there. Or this last confidential document is located on the higher level, specifically the second floor, in the building that housed the gas mask discovery. Here's a guide for reaching it. All three options convey the same information, but use slightly different wordings and sentence structures to maintain variety and readability. And it wasn't Democrats, as it was Stone Eagle. The Stone Eagle statue is perched atop a tower situated in the lower right part of the map. Although enthusiasts of Sniper Elite games are unable to ascend the tower, they can fire at the sculpture located there from multiple vantage points scattered across the map.